How you can make $1,000 from Canva. First of all, you have to choose one method. You want to sell design, you want to sell template, you want to sell digital products. After that, you have to choose one niche profitable, like you want to sell Pinterest pin, business branding kit, planner, ebook, social media content, whatever you want to. After that, you have to create sample 5 to 10. Make sure like your design is professional, look like professional. After that, you have to sell. Now you can, if you want to choose this service, design service, then you can go to Fiverr or Upwork. If you want to sell templates or digital product, then is Etsy or Gumroad is best option. So you can use for promotion method like Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook group. This is how you can so send outreach message to small businesses like every day. Uh, so you need the 10 to 20 sale if your price is 50 to $100, and then you can make $1,000 monthly. So try to this is if you focus on uh, want to make $1,000, then this is the all. This is how you can make from Canva $1,000 every month. Just you need a 10 to 20 sale. The price is uh, 50 to $100. You have to choose one niche: Pinterest pin, business branding kit, planner or ebook, or social media content, whatever you want to.